Welcome to Math Tutorial Channel. This is your teacher Ritz, your math tutor. In today's video, we will study multiplication of monomials. So we have here the product rule. So it says x raised to m multiplied by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. So the first example, we have here x cubed multiplied by x squared. So since they have the same base, simply copy x as their base, add their exponents, 3, alright, plus 2. So that is equal to x raised to 5. Alright, so simply copy the base, x, add their exponent, 3, plus 2, alright, equals to x raised to 5. Let's proceed to the next example. Y raised to the fourth power multiplied by y raised to the fifth power. So they have the same base also. So simply copy y 4 plus 5 equals y raised to 9. Right. So y, copy their base, y 4 plus 5 equals 9, y raised to 9. Okay, for the third example, we have 3 raised to the fourth power multiplied by 3 raised to the fifth power. So, again, copy their base, 3, 4, plus 5 equal to 3 raised to the power of 9. Okay, so since they have the same base, so we have to copy their base, 3, 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 9. Okay, for the fourth example, so we have here 3x cubed y multiplied by 4x squared y. Okay, so simply multiply their numerical coefficient. So we have here 3 times 4. So we have 12. Okay, copy the variable x, 3 plus 2. We will add the exponent of variable x, 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 is came from here, the first x, and 2 came from the exponent of the second x. And then y, 1 plus 1. Alright, equals, copy 12 x, 3 plus 2, 5. Y 1 plus 1, 2. Alright, so this is our answer. 3 times 4, we have 12. X cubed times x squared is x. 3 plus 2. Okay, so we have here 3 plus 2. And then our variable y raised to the first power. Kapag yung y po ay walang exponent, ibig sabihin, ang exponent po nitong variable na ito ay 1. So, we have y raised to the power of 1 or to the first power, 1 plus 1, okay? So, we have here 1 plus 1. So, y raised to the second power or y squared, okay? We can read our answer as 12 x to the 5th power y squared. Alright, so we proceed to the 5th example. So negative 5 multiplied by positive 3 is negative 15. So why is it? Our answer is negative 15 because multiplying unlike sign, the answer is always negative. Unlike sign, since 5 is negative and 3 here is positive. So that is why negative 5 multiplied by 3 is negative 15. Okay? Copy variable x. Okay? 1, again, kapag walang exponent yung variable natin, ibig sabihin the exponent is 1. So, 1 plus 2, we have 1 plus 2. Okay. And y is 2 plus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 is equal to, okay, copy negative 15 x. 1 plus 2 is 3 and y 2 plus 1 is 3. So, our answer is negative 15 x cubed y cubed. Alright. So hanggang dito lang muna ang video natin sa araw na ito. Kapag ito po ay nakatulong sa inyo, please subscribe to my channel para updated ka sa susunod kong video. Maraming salamat!